And we have no brakes, so we'll ride through a car wash.
You're supposed to put it in neutral.
Yeah, put it in neutral.
Just don't.
For y'all that don't believe us, this is like a real thing. This is really stupid. This is like...
I mean, so far so good, right?
We haven't even got this machine yet. Oh wait, I got the... You got the...
Start tearing fenders off.
Yeah.
This is the dumbest thing.
Isn't this car from the age where like you only hand washed?
Yeah.
Like you weren't allowed to do this.
Might as well just shut it off, right? Okay, I got some green.
So trippy.
Oh my god, what are we doing? Oh. This is so Who the fuck talked me into this?
I don't know. You just came.
I feel like this was...
It's all you.
You're right.
Was it? Let's hope the hood stays down.
Fucking squirt so
When my uncle sees that I took his fucking
I was just about to say, like,
prized possession through a car wash,
these are hand washed, hand dried.
he is going to be so mad. I'm probably going to get this out. Like totally